Name one branch or part of the government. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful? Who is in charge of the executive branch? Who makes federal laws? Who signs bills to become laws? Who vetoes bills? What does the judicial branch do? There are three branches of government. They are the Congress, the President, and the courts. Congress is also called the legislative branch. There are two parts of Congress, the Senate and the House of Representatives. Congress makes federal laws. A federal law is a law for the whole country. The President is in charge of the executive branch. Congress writes a bill. A bill is an idea for a law. Congress sends the bill to the President. If the President does not agree with the bill, he vetoes it. If the President vetoes a bill, it does not become a law. If the President agrees with the bill, he signs it, and it becomes a law. The courts are also known as the judicial branch. The judicial branch reviews laws. The judicial branch also explains laws. They also decide if a law is constitutional. Separation of powers, or checks and balances, keep one branch of government from becoming too strong or powerful. Each branch works together. Name one branch or part of the government. Congress, the President, and the courts. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful? Checks and balances, or separation of powers. Who is in charge of the executive branch? The President. Who makes federal laws? Congress, the Senate and House of Representatives, the United States or national legislature. Who signs bills to become laws? The President. Who vetoes bills? The President. What does the judicial branch do? The judicial branch is also called the courts, and they review laws, they explain laws, they resolve disputes or disagreements, and they decide if a law goes against the Constitution.